Okay, so what we're going to talk about right now is engagement in action plans for those who cannot scan NFC chip. But these are all your Apple users. NFC is enabled only for Apple Pay, but they don't allow you to scan tags at this point, and so that's unfortunate. But just like we reach out to different individuals via email or via text or Facebook, etc., we need to reach out to the volunteers or the members or the customers in the way that they're used to. So this is another option. It's called using a. I'm gonna show you how to use QR codes to do that. A QR code is essentially a way to scan an image that redirects you to a website. So you can see we're just using Google URL shortener up here. This is a URL that's already been shortened. When we get a URL that's shortened, Google will generate a QR code for us. This is what a QR code looks like. I'm sure you've seen them before. It's nothing too exciting, but it's an easy way to link people and connect with people. So what we're going to do is on our phone over here, we're going to open up our barcode scanner. I'm going to move this over so our barcode scanner is up and running. I'm going to actually scan that QR code. When I scan that QR code, you'll see over here that it's redirecting me to the short URL and the destination, the redirect destination. When I choose that, you'll see it redirects me to a YouTube video for a nonprofit called Unity, who focuses on bullying, anti-bullying campaigns. So the thing that is tricky about QR codes is that in this case, once this is printed on a poster or business card or anything for that matter, it becomes static. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to be able to create dynamic QR codes where I could change where the destination pointed to when this code was scanned. So I searched the internet and I came up with the definition of what a dynamic code is, and essentially that means that the QR code that allows us to change where the back and where it points to. So in doing that, I look for services to do that. This is an example of one. They charge between $12 and $50 a month for this service, and I thought, well, that's just crazy. I don't need to do it that way. I can use my domain provider and create what are called subdomains to do this for me. So this is my one-in-one is my domain provider. I just happen to have a domain that I was able to create subdomains under that I already owned. This costs $9 a year to essentially own a domain. So what I did was I created subdomains QR1, QR2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to 6. Each of those are what my QR or my URLs have been shortened to, and which I have QR codes for. So you can see here those are shortened, and these all have their individual QR codes that'll redirect you directly to that subdomain. So in looking at this one currently is pointed at Unity, all I have to do to change that is to go to my subdomain, which is QR6, because that's the QR code that I'm working with, and edit the destination. So if I want to change that from pointing to the Unity video, for example, I can choose this video for Planned Parenthood and simply go in here, change the URL, the redirect destination, paste that URL in there, and hit save. Once that's done, it's almost instantaneous, and the QR code, as you can see, this currently pointed to Unity. When I rescan the QR code, the same exact QR code for QR6.twostrands.org, you'll see, I'm going to go ahead and close all these out, open the barcode scanner again, or QR scanner. When I scan this, you'll see now that in fact it's still pointing to QR6, twostrands.org. When I click on it now, though, the subdomain redirect is going to actually push me to my new video, which is for the nonprofit Planned Parenthood. So is what this allows me to do is this allows me this allows me to do is print this QR code and have it change over time, so that I don't have to worry about reprinting things or where this might show up. I can always have it point to the most recent or pertinent information for connecting with my volunteers, my donors, and my potential customers. So that's how you create dynamic QR codes with subdomains, and don't need a service to pay additional money for. If you already own a domain, it's already available to you. Thanks, and look for the next video in the upcoming days. Have a great day.